everyone, it's Joe. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are resurrecting an old video series on my channel called Mail and Make. Mail and Make was supposed to be a series in which I open different parcels and packages from pen pals and friends around the world and create a journal spread using the things that they sent me. I have a whopping one episode in this series in which I opened a parcel from Ali Brown back in 2018. But I basically forgot about it in 2019, and here we are in 2020 trying to resurrect that concept. For today, we are opening this parcel from Mitz, from My Life Mitz. She is a Japan-based YouTuber who creates content around journals and planners and other planning systems, and I have been watching Mitz for a very long time. She's actually one of the first YouTubers and probably the first journal videos that I've watched, which got me into the Midori Traveler's notebook system. So I have Mitz to thank for this amazing hobby and this cool community that I am now a part of. The first thing that she sent me was this 2020 calendar that is a tearaway calendar, which is a staple in my journal spreads. And I'm so happy that Mitz sent this to me because I have been searching for one for such a long time. A lot of people ask me where I purchased them, and the last one that I purchased was from Fallen Design, which is a Korean stationery, I guess, reseller here in North America. But yeah, it's such a hard thing to find in North America, these tearaway calendar sheets. So I'm so glad that I have one now for this year. And then she sent this amazing Morris & Co. washi tape. It is brown and gray and has like a floral motif to it. And then she sent me this beautiful bundle of different papers which have amazing textures. I especially love that vellum. I guess it's almost like vellum. It has like a parchment paper like feel to it. It has like these cute little sprinkle looking designs on it. So I didn't use it in this spread, just spoiler alert, but I'm gonna hoard it and use it in a future spread. The first thing that I actually added to my spread is actually this postcard that Mitz sent to me, I think before the parcel arrived, but they arrived at the same time. I think she sent that like on December 23rd or something like that. But it's an amazing postcard. I believe this is a postcard that maybe comes with her stationery box that she has. I would love to get a hold of one of those boxes one of these days. I'll leave a link down below to the stationery boxes that Mitz creates because they're amazing. It's all filled with Japanese stationery, and it's such a good deal because there's some amazing things in there. The December one looked especially amazing. Sorry, I'm like stuttering and a little bit jittery because I'm so excited. I haven't filmed one of these videos in like 2 weeks now because I missed a video last week. So I'm trying to get used to it and get into the swing of things again. So I apologize if I am jittery and rambling because I always end up rambling. But yeah, I should probably tell you what's happening on the screen. I should probably say that I'm using my volume 16 insert, in which I am repurposing this old insert from 2017 or 2018. This is a vertical weekly insert, and I'm now turning it into my kind of daily journal, or my daily journal. And it's been going pretty great. I am still kind of distracted by the different grid lines and whatnot, but it's been fun because my journaling style is kind of changing in this journal specifically because I'm treating it like a vertical weekly insert. So the way I journaled back in 2017 and earlier kind of mimics this style. It's a lot more, I want to say, random. Like it doesn't have like a typical Job's journal feel to it. I don't know. I stopped using these inserts back in 2018 just because I was feeling overwhelmed because I had my daily journal, and then I had my vertical weekly journal, and then I had my bullet journal. There was just a lot of things going on. But as you can see, I tore the first page out of the tearaway calendar sheet just because it had an amazing motif to it. It had a cool Japan flag design. And then I made this little post-it note looking square and added a drop shadow. And then I found this old washi tape that I have rarely used. It's actually the one with eyes on it, and that's from my Taiwan trip back in 2000. 2016, I think, or 2017. It's been a while, and I'm trying to use my old stationery and not purchase as much. So I'm trying to go through my stash and look through things that I found. And then the eyes gave me, the whole realize quote thing going on. But I didn't want to write real lies because, I don't know, in the spirit of 2020, I wanted to be a little bit more positive. So I put realize, real wise. I know it doesn't really make sense, but it seems a little bit more positive than real eyes, realize, real lies. I'm trying to enunciate as much as I can, but I know you're probably just hearing me say real eyes like 3 times in a row. So I apologize for that. So that was like one kind of element that I added that didn't really have anything to do with this parcel, but I really wanted to bust out that wooden stamp set that I had, and I purchased that at a random store in Korea in my small town back in 2015, and it still works great. I also added a wax seal using my bright red wax, and then I put New Year, New Calendar because I didn't want to put New Year, New Me and overdo that. But one little, I guess, tidbit of fact that I could share is that I actually changed my whole look at the beginning of this year. So I had a beard. The beard is no longer, long story short, I cut my hair to a buzz cut and I shaved my beard, which I haven't shaved it like clean for like 2 years. So I looked like an egg basically at the beginning of the year, but my beard is slowly growing back, and I think I'm gonna grow it back in general now. I have come to a realization, maybe that's why I wrote realize. I came to a realization that I look better with the beard, so I'm gonna be keeping the beard. I know none of you have actually seen my face, so this is totally irrelevant and I'm rambling, but that's a little bit of a fun fact. I added this little note that Mitt sent in the parcel, and then this cute little sticker flake, it's actually not sticker flakes, I'm forgetting what it's called. This little die cut set that she sent have little like bread items on it, and I love bread, so I just added it to like the bottom edge where I added a piece of washi tape at the bottom right page, and then I put bread is life on top of the bread. It's going to be covered by the tip-in that I added at the beginning of Mitz's postcard, but I think it looks great. I added one more little sticker on the front of the postcard, and I put from Mitz, since this spread uses most of the elements that Mitz sent me, and I added just a few little pieces of washi tape, and that was pretty much it. The spread is like super quick, and I finished it under 20 minutes, I believe. I really just wanted to get a video out there and kind of play around with the mail and make format. If you're interested in like getting your things, your packages, I don't know, featured, just shoot me an email, and I would love to open up your mail and create a mail and make episode out of the things that you have made or will send. So yeah, let me know, because I would love to do more of these videos, but I actually I'm not taking any more pen pals. But if you have things that are lying around that you want to share with me, I would love to open it on camera and create a journal spread out of it. That just makes me sound like I'm asking for stationery, but I genuinely would like to make more of these, and I really don't know how to. I guess I could ask friends around my personal friends around the world to send me things, but if you have any better ideas, let me know, because I want to make more of these, but it's hard to do because I just don't have that many friends living abroad. Actually, no, that's such a lie. I do have a lot of friends living abroad. I'll go ask them. And I'm rambling, and I apologize for this really random video. There will be regular journaling videos up again soon. Thank you so much for persevering through this video, and I will see you all next Sunday. Bye, everyone.